Okay, in this video, I'll share to you about how to make the modern villa design with swimming pool with this basic concept. Okay, I've already prepared about the basic concept in SketchUp, and I will share to you about how to assign the materials with water materials in here. Okay, we can click this one, and we can click and just click this one in here. Okay, and after that, now we can determine about the openings in here. We can click this line, okay, and select move, tap control, and just place to the position around 3 meter in here. Now we can push it to the front again, and about the upper position of this. Then now we can select move, tap control, and just place. Okay, now we can type 5/ and enter in here, and it will be divided the 5 parts of this door divider in here. Okay, then now we can make the another openings in here on this position. We can select move, tap control, and just place, type 3/ and enter in here, and push it to the front in here. Okay, and also this side of this door, and push it to the behind, and click this vertical line. And then we can select move, tap control, and just place, and we can type 4/ and enter in here. Okay, and after that, now we can assign with the glass. We can assign with the glass materials in here. Okay, now we can click and assign about the glass materials on every single panel of the glass materials over there, and especially this one. We can select the vertical line and select move, tap control, and just place. Okay, and push it to the front in here, and then can click and select move, tap control, and we can place, type 4/ and enter in here. Okay, this one. And okay, this is the basic shaping, and of course we can also erase the bottom surfaces in here. Can erase this one. Okay, and then now we don't forget to make the gutter. Don't forget to make the gutter of this bottom of this swimming pool, infinity pool in here. Okay, the gutter is very important because the function is to be a water retention. Okay, we need the water retention in here. Set it inside. Okay, we can make group, and now we can assign with the concrete. Okay, we can assign about the concrete materials. We can just place the position in here, and just place. Okay, now we can determine about the sloping landscape in here. Can click this line and move it down in here, and triple click and make group. Okay, now we can determine about the landscaping with the grass materials in here. Okay, we can make this one, and make this one. Okay, we can determine with this one to make a pool deck in here. Okay, and then we can determine the materials. We can use this one for making the variation of this wall, especially of this cantilever wall in here. Okay, and then now we can make the separation of it. Okay, we can push it to the front and assign the materials with this one. Okay, now we can make the another landscaping in here. Okay, we can make group and just scale. Okay, we can just scale the landscaping in here. Okay, we can assign about the landscaping in here, just like this, and then now we can put the elements or object in here. Okay, we can move it on this position first, and then you can move it on the position. Okay, we can move the tree on this position and select move and explode. Okay, now we can explode again and just make group and just scale it down in here. Can scale. We can scale this tree. Okay, we can move on the bottom of the position, and then now we can select move, type control. Okay, it's like this. So we can make the variation of for every single tree in here. We can make the variation to make it more organic in here. Okay, and then now we can select move and just place to the position in here. And now we can determine about the another materials with the stone. Okay, with this stone, and for the another one. Okay, now we can determine about this one. Okay, so we elevate about the boxes in here. We elevate about the boxes over there, and now of course we can also make the another openings in here for the side entrance or the side access of this one in here. Okay, now we can make the now we can make this one in here. Okay, now we can click and select move, tap control, and type 1.2 meter in here. Okay, now we can move it down and move it down in here. Okay, and just move it down and until the position in here, and just click and select move, tap control. Just place type / and enter in here, and click and select move, tap control, and just place type / and enter in here, and click and select move, tap control. Select move, tap control. Place type 5/ and enter in here, and triple click and make group and assign about the materials in here, and it will be a rooftop deck in here. But of course we have to assign with the rooftop deck in here. Okay, and in field of this part we can also put the tree or about the component. We can put the another component to make it more to make it more variative in here, to make it more variative about the tree in here on the rooftop, especially in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and we can also activate the body shadow just like this to make it more representative enough with the private villa concept design with the another greenery and also the swimming pool, infinity pool in here with the gutter in here. So you can explore more about this one. It has a rooftop, and this is just basic, so you can explore more it perfectly by your own version anyway. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial.